Welcome to Portal Registration Tutorial. Open any browser and search for Ecosys Instruments. Click the first link available on the browser. We are authorized distributors and service providers for i3sys products. We provide sales of PUC machine spare parts and offer service support for all brands. Click on Multi-Auto Portal Services. Advantages of Multi-Auto Portal Services. Centralized vehicle record management. Helps better management of vehicle and service records. Improved customer engagement. Helps better customer interaction with personalized festival wishes via SMSs. Enhanced customer retention. Automated SMS reminders for customers about upcoming services and maintenance. Time saving and efficiency. Easy follow-ups by automating communications with customers post-service effectively. Cost-effective marketing to scale and enhance your businesses, which helps to widen your customer network. Customer satisfaction and experience. Enhances customer satisfaction with timely reminders and personalized communication for better experience. Click on Sign Up in the top right corner. Enter center details along with valid phone number and email address. Enter your email address and click to verify. An OTP will be sent to your email address. Now enter OTP to complete the verification process. Select your business type. You can choose one or more options for our services. Create a unique username and password for your account. Check to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Submit. Click OK. Now you will be redirected to our login page. Now log in with your username and password along with the CAPTCHA. As part of the registration, one-time registration fee is required to access our services. Click on Pay Now to proceed. You have multiple methods of making payment. Using our QR code, you can scan and pay from any of the payment apps, like PhonePe, Google Pay, and others. You can also make payments via UPI ID available on PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, and others. Payments via debit or credit cards are also available for Visa, RuPay, MasterCard and more. Net banking is also available. Once your payment is successful, you will be redirected to the login page in 10 seconds. Now log into your portal using your username and password. Welcome to Multi Auto Services portal. To view your center details, click on My Profile tab on the left. To create a new vehicle record, click on Add Vehicle tab on the left. Enter valid vehicle details along with valid phone number. Click Save to store the vehicle details. To view the stored vehicle details, click on Vehicle Record tab on the left. To view the expiry list, click on the List to Call tab on the left. This tab contains the entire expiry list. You can reach out to your customers to provide information regarding certificate expiry and more. To clear a customer after calling, check status and then click Clear. You can also enable SMS service for your businesses on our portal. Now to enable SMS reminder service, click on SMS Settings tab on the left. We offer multiple SMS options for festival wishes, promotional, transactional and reminder messages. Festival messages. You will be able to send festival wishes to all your customers for the festivals you prefer. Promotional messages. This helps you to provide information regarding discounts and offers to your customers and also for other marketing purposes. Reminder messages. By enabling this, your customers will receive reminders regarding expiry of certificates and service due dates. On enabling reminder messages, you have the flexibility of choosing number of days before the reminder SMS has to be sent, or by default the SMSs will be sent one day before. Transactional messages. Generally, these messages will be sent to your customers post visiting your center as acknowledgement to their visit. Once you have selected the required SMS services, click on Set to save your preference. In order to send messages, sufficient SMS balance must be available. To select a SMS package, click on Recharge tab on the left. Choose a suitable SMS package and click on Recharge. Use any of the payment methods at your convenience. Once your payment is successful, you will be redirected to the portal in 10 seconds. To demonstrate the delivery of messages, we will be creating another vehicle record for PUC certificate. Once your vehicle record gets created, your customers will receive this post-visit SMS with your center name. The SMS count will reduce as messages are sent. Customers will receive this reminder SMS days before the PUC certificate expires, along with the center details. Click on SMS Status tab on the left to monitor delivered and undelivered SMS statuses. Note: please keep a check on the number of SMSs available in the top right corner of the portal. Once the SMS count reduces below 100, you will be notified to recharge immediately for uninterrupted services.